Good morning. Good morning. Today, equation of plane in intercept form. Equation of plane in intercept form. So let the plane meet the coordinate axis at A, B, C respectively, where O is the origin. O is the origin. This plane meet the coordinate axis, x-axis at A, y-axis at B, and z-axis at C, such that OA, that this distance is A, OB, this distance is B, and OC, this distance is C. So, coordinate of A is A0, 0. Coordinate of B is 0, B, 0. And coordinate of C is 0, 0, C. Where coordinate of origin O is 0, 0, 0. So, the coordinate of these points are A0, 0, B, 0, B, 0, C, 0, 0, C, and coordinate of origin O is 0, 0, 0. Let the equation of the given plane, equation of this plane ABC, equation of this plane ABC be ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0, where d is not 0. Where d is not 0. Why? Since the given plane does not pass through origin O, 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 0, the x0, y0, z0, it becomes d is equal to 0, but d is not 0, since this plane does not pass through the origin. As the plane passes through A, B, and C respectively, coordinate of A0, 0, satisfy the plane. Coordinate of B, 0, B, 0, satisfy the plane. Coordinate of C, 0, 0, C, satisfy the plane. So as the plane passes through A0, 0, B, 0, B, 0, and C, 0, 0, C, so it satisfies the equation of a plane. So for A0, 0, put x is equal to A, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0, we get A into A plus B into 0 plus C into 0 plus D is equal to 0. A into A plus 0 plus 0 plus D is equal to 0. Taking D to this side, A into A is equal to minus D. So A is equal to minus D by A. Similarly, plane passes through point B, whose coordinate is 0, B, 0. So it satisfies the equation of this plane. Putting here x is equal to 0, y is equal to b, and z is equal to 0, we get a into 0, so 0, plus b into b, plus c into 0, so 0, plus d is equal to 0, plus d is equal to 0. Therefore, b is equal to minus d by b. Coordinate of point C, 0, 0, C, satisfy the equation of a plane, this plane 1. So, putting here x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, and z is equal to C in equation 1, we get a into 0 is 0, plus b into 0 is 0, plus c into c, plus d is equal to 0. So C is equal to minus D by C. Putting value of A, B, and C in equation 1, putting these values in 1, we get A minus d by a minus d by a, x plus b minus d by b, y plus c minus d by c, z plus d is equal to 0. Minus d by a, x minus d by b, y minus d by c, z plus d is equal to 0. Dividing both sides by d, we get d cancel. The minus x by a minus y by b minus z by c plus 1, d by d 1 is equal to 0. Minus x by a minus y by b minus z by c plus 1 is equal to 0. Taking these three terms to right side, we get x, it becomes minus x by a becomes plus x by a. Minus y by b becomes plus y by b, minus z by c becomes plus z by c is equal to 1. The x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. This is the required equation of a plane in intercept form. It is called intercept form. This is the required equation of plane in intercept form. Thank you and have a nice day. Please subscribe the channel and write your comment in each video. It is the second video of equation of a plane. Thank you.